We're starting with big breaking updates coming in. It's a significant development. Top sources have confirmed to Times Now that the Union Cabinet has approved the much anticipated One Nation, One Poll bill. This decision sets the stage for a unified election process across the country. This also signals a transformative shift in India's electoral framework. My colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, this is a big decision. What do we know at this point?
Well, it is a very big decision. In fact, in September, government has adopted a high-level committee. Mr. Ramnath Kovind, who was also former president of India, his report had come and the cabinet had accepted it in September. Now is the time because, there were many union ministers who were making the pitch for One Nation, One Election. In fact, yesterday only Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, while speaking in Kurukshetra, he only, made a case for One Nation, One Election. So with all the union ministers, obviously, it's a very ambitious project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has given many benefits of One Nation, One Election because they believe that every 5 years around the, for around the year you have elections in one state or the other. If not, you have local elections. If not, you have general elections after 5 years. So many projects get delayed, hampered to avoid all of this and obviously to avoid many of the state exchequer cost for the election. This has been decided that they will have One Nation, One Election. Cabinet has approved it and it is very likely that this is going to come as a bill in this winter session. And in fact, the government has also started interacting and speaking to smaller regional parties. Remember, there are many amendments that will be moved here and you need at least 2/3 of majority in few and also 3/4 of majority in some of these amendments. So to have, a majority like that, government needs to speak to regional parties, smaller parties, and they're doing that for quite some time now. We have gathered this information and this is a very, very big step. Now the challenge is to have everyone on board, if not at least 50% of the states, and to get it passed in the parliament. So we will wait for the government to bring in this bill and to move this bill. What we are learning from the sources, this could take place even in this winter session. Remember, the winter session is till December 20th. A very, very big administrative step that government is going to take, and if it is passed, it will change how elections are conducted in the country.
Big changes expected if it is introduced as a bill in the parliament. Let's see what the opposition says. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in.